For the last week and a half, I have been enjoying the lush greenery of the beautiful Ella, but today I'm leaving to go on the ultimate nature getaway to the Glenrock, which is situated right in the middle of the World's End and Hortons Plain mountain range. We have made a slight detour on our drive, but for good reason. This is Sri Lanka's tallest waterfall. This is the Bambarakanda Falls. It is 263 meters, and that's pretty cool. I mean, look how massive it is. Oh, hey puppy.
Oh, so cool.
Thank you so much. Oh, and it's warm. That's lovely. You ready for your nature getaway?
Oh, you have no idea. Sugar and bitter.
Sugar and bitter? I've had this in pancakes before, I think. That's very tasty. Oh, but these are also cloves, huh?
Yes. A fancy little tea you got, yeah?
Fancy little tea, yeah. That looks lovely, huh? Let's go have a look at the river villa. Oh, look at it. Okay, so I think this is going to be like the living room area where we have a lovely couch, maybe read a book or something. I mean, of course, the sound is because I'm right on the river here. Look at that. That is so lovely. I know, and I can already spy with my eye. The next room, look at this. And from here, I have, of course, a view of the river as well. But as we were walking inside, there's actually one thing that caught my eye, which you can see from the living room already.
Damn.
Oh, gosh, look at that. Now that's what I call a small tub. Yes, I'm definitely going to be using this. Wow, this is incredible, huh? Yeah, I'm definitely going to have a great time staying here. I'm going to be staying here for 2 nights, and I've got this villa to myself. Ruben will be accompanying me, but he's got his own place a little bit further down the path. Which
I just realized that we missed something.
I missed something? Oh, look at that! There's an upper deck. How cool is that? Da, 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 da. Wow. And then you got the views. So we're actually going to go on a little excursion to go swim near some waterfalls. So a little change of outfit. Just have to go pick up Ruben. Hello? You ready? No. Go ahead, sir. Take a seat. Quite the adventure to get there, huh? To actually get to these pools, we had to cross this thing over here, which is quite scary because I stood on a rock and I almost slipped. But we're going up and onwards. Okay, let's find these pools. Little bit, yeah. Hey, I guess no, don't leave me. Wow, no, that's actually really nice. No, have fun. Okay, bye. Okay, so Ruben is cool because he's gonna go over there. In the background there, you have a very big pool. I think I'm still settled here in the small pool. I'm a little bit afraid of going up that ladder thing there. So I'm gonna just show you. Temperature is quite nice, by the way, and I can imagine that if the sun is like fully shining, this is going to be fantastic to cool down. But now even with the clouds, I think it's pretty chill. I'm really enjoying this. I love being in the water. I always hate the feeling of me being a scaredy cat. So, I'm also going to go to the deep pool. I'm not sure I will jump. Oh gosh, he did a backflip. He did a backflip. That is a crazy guy. I'm not doing that, guys. Sorry. Up, 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 up we go on this rope. I can't watch this. No. I don't want to be a scaredy cat. I don't want to be a scaredy cat. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I did it. Well, the weather turned quite quickly, so we had a lot of fun in the water. But now we're back in the vehicle, which is nice and tinted, so we can actually get back to the place and not get even more wet. I am so hungry. Time for some lunch. So since we have gotten the bowl of water that was to clean our hands, I'm guessing we're eating with our hands. Or am I correct? I think, because I think we're getting a traditional Sri Lankan lunch today. And this is banana leaf that everything is packaged in. It looks so incredibly well packaged. Oh, wow. Okay, so Mr. Ruben has got a slight different meal because mine is vegetarian, so it has no meat.
The meat is so tender.
It's so good.
It's so good, and the spice is so good.
Yeah, I absolutely agree that the flavors are incredible. I love the flavors. Somebody finished their plate.
Disgusting. Oh, that was so good. Unbelievable.
This is gonna be amazing. Oh, so many buttons. Wow. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, that looks so good.
That looks great.
So we have gotten a little bit of room service. You excited? Oh, that is so lovely. Good morning, world. Yeah, I think it's time to get ready and go and explore this place a bit. Morning, Rubes. Morning, Rachel. Yay! So the cool thing about the Glenrock is that it's situated on the Belihuloya River. This river starts all the way in Hortons Plains, so the water quality is so good. And the cool thing is, you know those little spar fishes that you have? Well, they're called red gutta fish, and they are naturally in this river. So we're gonna go see if we can have a little pampering in the pools of the river. Unfortunately, the tide is a little bit too high to actually go and enjoy the spa fishies, but that's okay because it's a very beautiful place to go hang out anyways. But now it's time for breakfast. Off we go. Wow, they're massive, huh? This is a national animal, right?
Yeah. It's chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Coconut sambal.
Coconut sambal.
And dal curry.
Dal curry.
These two are my absolute favorite.
Sri Lankan food in my family.
So from all these things, which ones did you like the most?
So the dal is a really great flavor. It has a little bit of a bite, but the coconut sambal is just... Wow guys, this place is just absolutely insane. As soon as we've gotten up here, like, it is so quiet, but the views are fantastic. This is actually the Balangoda viewpoint, and basically we're looking over the Balangoda tea plantations, but in the background we have these beautiful mountain ranges tucked away with the clouds. It is so beautiful. I think it's time for some drone shots. Bye beautiful views. This was such a lovely stop on the way, but now we are going to a secret place. Okay, so we have arrived where we will be starting like the 400-meter walk to get to these secret pools, and a lot of the locals know where they are, but not many tourists know where they are. And the reason for that is because that they still want to keep it pristine and keep it nice. Now, the myth that goes along with this place is that kings used to bury their treasure here. So they're supposed to be very special pools as well. Anyways, the sun is very hot today. And yeah, I am just so looking forward to actually getting into the water. But even just like walking here, man, we're going through the tea plantation, as you can see. Oh, I'm really excited for this. Wow, look at that, guys. 3 separate pools. Tea plantation, mountain views.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so Ruben was like, I don't want to freak you out, because I felt something nibbling my feet, and he had already felt it. But I think those are the special little spa fishes. I looked down and I saw them nibbling on our toes. So we're gonna be all beautiful once we leave this waterfall. Okay, so this pool, even though it's so small, it is so deep, but I've got to do this. I'm a little bit sad that we're going to be saying goodbye to this place. It was absolutely beautiful, very lush and green, and I felt very tropical there with my hair all nice in the waterfall. But it's time to go wind down back at the Glenrock. Made it to the pool. Yeah, it's a really cool pool because this is actually the fresh river water that is coming in, and that is what is filling the swimming pool. So you're still getting that full natural vibe while you are swimming at this place, which I think is really cool. Well guys, I've had an absolute incredible couple of days here. It has been so nice to be surrounded so intensely by nature. I mean, like, even if I turn around the camera, that is just pure jungle, and this is exactly what I needed, you know, to wake up with the river, see the birds, go on these lovely excursions to waterfall pools and stuff like that. Definitely the things are up my alley. So if you're going to Kandy or Ella, like, a lot of people miss the Belihuloya region. Anyway, this region that is you know, near the Hortons Plains and Wilds in mountain range, which I don't understand because it is so beautiful, it is so green, and it's got so many like cool outdoor experiences that you could go on. You can go swim in the waterfalls, like I said. You've got the natural spa fish that come and eat and nibble your feet, which I think is really cool. So I've highly enjoyed myself. Also this place is specifically because they have green policies where they want to make more awareness about the beautiful nature environment in their staff and guests, which I think is really cool because we need more people that are looking after our environment. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, just hit the like button. But if you want to see more of these videos, then hit the subscribe button. And thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!